Hey guys, what's up? It's Kasheera Latasha. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. So you guys, today we're going to be doing an Organize With Me video. We're going to be organizing my son's play area. Is the play area a hot mess?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You gonna help me clean?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So we're gonna be getting his play area in order, and yeah, I wanted you guys to see the process of how we transform the space. Let's go.
Don't lie, you're so high in this room, it's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you, and just fly, there's blue skies, and your eyes make sun's rise, and now that you're falling, I wanna come to, I want us to stay here forever. Alone in this room. Don't lie, you're so high in this room, it's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you, and just like these blue skies, your eyes make suns rise. I don't know where to go, keep me like a lips on when I'm with you. One single place turns into space. I'm holding on to you, and now that you're falling, I wanna come to, I want us to stay here forever. Alone in this room. Don't lie, so high in this room, it's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you, and just fly, there's blue skies, and your eyes make suns rise. Don't lie, so high in this room, it's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you, and just fly, there's blue skies, your eyes make suns rise.
Hey, we did it! Yes, you guys, we just finished organizing the play area, and yeah, I feel like it looks a lot more spacious and balanced, and now Makai can actually see everything that he has and all the toys. Alright you guys, so if you want to see more like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Much love, peace.
Peace.